Step into the world of manufacturing with welding and machine tool technology, where you'll learn to cut, fabricate, and weld metal parts that transform our everyday lives. Master the operations of lathes, milling, surface grinders, boring, and drilling, and get hands-on with CNC equipment. From arc welding to oxy-fuel cutting to heat training and structural design, here our expert instructors will teach you the technical knowledge so you can cut, fuse, and shape metal like a pro. Our manufacturing programs are more than just classes. They provide real-world experience, meet industry standards, and offer work-based learning opportunities. Upon completion, you can also earn Tri-County Technical College credit and industry certifications that will set you apart when applying for jobs. The future is yours to create. Let us show you what's possible at Hamilton Career and Technology Center.